In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and apply custom code in Mobirise using the Code Editor extension. If you're new to Mobirise, here's a quick refresher. The app builds your pages through drag and drop blocks and automatically generates the HTML behind the scenes. You don't normally write code from scratch during design. However, if you want finer control, whether it's custom HTML, CSS tweaks, or a JavaScript snippet, the Code Editor extension is the way to go. First, make sure the Code Editor extension is installed and enabled in your Mobirise setup. Without it, the editing panel we're about to use won't be available. If you're working on a shared project or something critical, it's smart to duplicate your project first so you can test changes without worry. Now select the block you want to modify on your page. Click directly on that block to bring up its block panel. You'll see a set of controls related to that block. Look for the option labeled Edit Code. Click Edit Code to open the code editor. This reveals the HTML structure for that specific block, along with areas for CSS and JavaScript if the block supports them. Next, paste or type in your custom code. If you're adding HTML, keep it valid and aligned with the block's structure. For CSS, consider scoping your styles with unique classes to avoid unintentionally affecting other blocks. And for JavaScript, make sure your scripts are self-contained and don't conflict with other libraries the theme might use. If you're integrating third-party widgets, embed only the necessary parts and avoid exposing any sensitive keys or credentials. When you're ready to see the results, apply your changes. You can click Save and Close to commit and exit the editor, or use the Apply button, which often appears as a blue eye icon, to update the live preview inside the app without closing the editor. This is handy for quick visual checks and iterative adjustments. If something doesn't look right, you can step back, revise the code, and apply again until it matches your intent. As you experiment, remember that the code editor also lets you review and export full HTML if you need to inspect the source or handoff files. Always test your page in the app's preview and later in a real browser to confirm styles and scripts behave as expected across devices. That's it. With the Code Editor extension, Mobirise gives you the best of both worlds: rapid block-based design and precise custom coding right where you need it.